Okay, so welcome to my little labby thing here. What we're going to do today for a little bit is we're going to take a Seagate hard drive apart. This is a momentous 160 gigabyte drive. It's a piece of trash, it's old, it's functionally obsolete. I have SSDs now. So I can get some tools. I have here some very small, I don't know if you can see these guys here. I have a piece of junk little camera here, but it should be enough for what I'm trying to do. I have looks like I have perimeter screws located along here. There should be one hidden away in the middle under the sticker. It's right here. Hold it up to the light, you might be able to see there. So I'm going to peel the sticker back at that point. But having fingernails is a good thing. So if you bite your fingernails, don't do that. Because then you can't do stuff like take your kids' Legos apart, peel stickers off. If you have a really nice razor blade, like a standalone razor blade or a knife, you could do that too. So, alright, so it's behind a smaller sticker right there. So we're going to tuck that aside, stick it to itself. Use our fingernail. So if you had French manicure or something, you probably wouldn't want to do this, but nobody I know of would do French manicures unless costume party or something. Alright, so there is our 7th screw. Alright, so now I'm going to guess it's going to be a T5 to start. It's too loose, so we'll try T6. It's a nice little set I picked up from Walmart for pretty cheap actually. T6 fits snugly. These aren't 1/4 inch drive, these are like, I don't know, like 3/8 drive or something. No, it'd be like, I don't know, like 5/32 drive or something. I don't know, they're tiny. So there we go. I'll just put them in the lid of my tray. Keep them out of the way. Once you break the torque, which is probably inch-pounds or something, and they spin off very easy. Really, I'm doing this for one really good reason. That is, I want the magnets. I want the magnets out of the armature so I can put them on my fridge and keep bigger, heavier bits of paper there. This is not an ESD rated piece of paper I'm running off of here. It's a manila envelope. The thing I had underneath this kind of had to glare with my overhead light. So, alright, show me your secrets. Gonna open up for me now? Yep. Go. So it just pops right off. Just like that. Put you there. And I see that I have 2 platters. There. Stupid camera won't autofocus or nothing, but so we will hold platter still. Nope, doesn't want to do it. Hold it on the edge or something. Fine, I'll get smudges on it. It's not. This thing's been wiped already. I'm not worried about damaging them. Come on. Hey, this is a long one. Oh, here it is. Okay. And that comes off. And now I got a spacer between the platters, and you have your air smooth surface with me showing up in it. Technical taps may be necessary to get it out. Oh, cute. They have this little plastic bit right here. That's holding it in place. No problem. This thing seems pretty much nothing but T6s. So, not a problem at all. Oh. Side. As I derange the heads, but who cares? Alright, so now I have a platterless unit. The interesting part's going to be now is getting the armature out. So there's a sticker right here, I'm guessing is hiding the screw. So again, we angle a fingernail trying to get at it. Alright. Well, I see the magnets. So it uses the magnets work in conjunction with the armature, and when the armature gets energized, it changes its position in the magnetic field caused by the armatures, or not armatures, the magnets, or something like that. And it does this really, really fast in order to find the data on the drive for your enjoyment. Otherwise, there's nothing there. It doesn't know where to. Can't read the data because the heads can't find it because they can't seek it out. This is me just hacking this thing apart. It's really not. Okay, so this is the meat and potatoes of what I was here to get. This is magnet. This will go in my fridge. Alright, now I gotta get the armature. Even come out. Oh, cute. You're a flathead. I have a flathead. I think one that's large enough. Bigger than that. The biggest one I got. Sometimes it's a hex bit, sometimes it's a flathead. But yeah, this whole tool set was like $8 at Walmart. And I got it because it had T5. That's really the only reason why I got it. Alright, there's the magic. There's my armature. Along with the pins that go on the circuit board underneath. Oh, there's the magnet all loose. Alright, magnet. So that's what I'm here for, is the magnets. See, I could take the circuit board off if I wanted to, so now the armature is just like, who cares? Oh, those are, oh, they're Phillips. Go figure. Let's put my flathead away. And put my T5 away. Or T6 is what this was? Yeah, T6. I had to use T5 on another drive. I was like, what the heck? That's small. So, where's my Phillips? These are small Phillips. The motor is this part right here. This is what actually drives the platters. Spins them up. This was a 7200 RPM drive. Budget drives are 5400 RPM, but 7200 RPM drives, even laptop sized ones, are very cheap. You can get a terabyte drive brand new for like, I think, what, $50? That's on the, I mean, they're not going to be, you know, server grade, but terabyte SSDs will run you 300 something. I think my 850 EVO was 320 for a terabyte, which is what I'm using to record this video on the desktop. I use my iPhone, but I figured, so this is what drives the motor and the armature and all that fun stuff. This is basically just anodized aluminum case with the motor embedded in it, which I'm not sure how to get that out. Press fit or something crazy. Yep, all that because I wanted to get these because they nifty, and I wanted to score some magnets because they're really strong. They are probably the best fridge magnets you can get. Most of my kids think all the little bits that are here now are fun to play with and tinker with, but I just wanted these scavenging. Alright, cool. Thanks for watching.